In this video, we will see how to create a semi-finished goods and what is the importance of a semi-finished goods. So let's understand what is a semi-finished goods. So semi-finished goods are basically the pre-prepared items or the pre-prepared recipes which we prepare and keep it in the kitchen. So whenever we are about to make a final item, so we use some portion of the pre-prepared semi-finished goods and we make the final menu item or the final item. We use it in the recipes. So basically, if we take an example, then we can make the dough as a semi-finished goods for the preparation of a pizza. We can use the sauces like the white sauce for the preparation of a white sauce pasta, and we can use the marinated chicken for all kind of the chicken dishes or the cuisines. So now we'll start with the creation of the semi-finished goods. So for creating the semi-finished goods, we have to go to the inventory management and we have to click on the semi-finished goods. So once we click here, we have to click on the add button. So now I'll type the name of the semi-finished goods. So we are going to prepare the semi-finished good called the dough. We will be using the dough in the pizza. So now once you have put the name, you can even select the parent group. If you have created a group dedicated for your recipes, you can select it. For now, we are going to keep it as the main group under the main group. So now we will be moved to our next thing, which is the recipes. Under the recipes, we will be adding all the ingredients. So just to understand here, the concept of the recipes and the ingredients, here you see the user norm. User norm is basically the batch or it will be the total output for which you are going to add the ingredients or you are going to prepare the semi-finished goods. So here we have the usage norm. We can put like, for example, we are going to prepare 2 kg of dough. So we will put the usage norm as 2 kg. So now for the 2 kg of preparation of dough, we will be using the ingredients. So whatever the ingredients we will be using is as per the 2 kg of semi-finished goods, which is dough. Now we are going to use all the ingredients which will be required for the preparation of this dough. Now I'll be adding all the ingredients. So let's start. We have to add the ingredients. Warm water is our first ingredient, which will be taking as 400 ml. Similarly, we have to add all the ingredients. Now we will be adding the dry yeast and we will be taking 400 gram of yeast. Then we will be taking the other ingredients, which are the honey. Honey, we are using 100 ml. Then we will move to our next ingredient, which is egg. So eggs, we are using 4 pieces. And we will be putting other like the salt. Salt we'll be using 20 gram and the flour. So now we have defined our all ingredients which we will be using in the preparation of 2 kg dough. Now, there are two ways of the deduction of inventory in from of ingredients. We have to use the write-off method. So if we keep the write-off method as the write-off ingredients, so this will be used as whenever there will be a sale of any item which will be having this ingredient, this semi-finished goods used in it, then the inventory will be deducted for that particular portion. Now, if we keep the write-off method as the write-off ready item or the semi-finished products, then we have an additional step of preparing the cooking records. So for now, we are moving ahead with the write-off ingredients, and from the bottom, we can select the start time. From what date and time this recipe will be started. By default, it will be taking as the current date. So now we have added all our ingredients for the preparation of 2 kg dough. Once you have done it, we click on save and close. Click on yes. Once we have added, now we can see the dough is added as a recipe, and we are going to use this recipe, this semi-finished goods in one of the menu items. So we'll go to the items, we'll go to one of the pizza items. We are going to use it in the margarita pizza. So we'll click on action, edit, and we will add this Semi-finished goods, which is dough. So for preparing a pizza, we will be using 200 gram of dough and the rest of ingredients which will be required in the preparation of the pizza. For now, we have taken these ingredients as test ingredients. So you can change it with the correct ingredients which we will be using for the preparation of pizza. And now once done, you can click on Save and Close. This is how we create a semi-finished goods, and this is how we use a semi-finished goods in the preparation of a menu item.